Hello students, let us learn about text editing. Editing a document includes selecting, copying and pasting, moving and deleting the text in your document. In order to select the text, we will place the mouse pointer beside the word from where we want to select the text and then just click and drag the mouse. This is the way we can select it. In order to copy, we will go to the edit menu and then click on the copy option. As you can see, the shortcut for copy is Ctrl+C. We will click on the copy option and let us move to a place where we want to paste it. We have come down to this part and then go to edit and paste. See that the shortcut key for pasting is Ctrl+V. You can see I had selected the text, copied and pasted it. We can move the text. Now moving is different from copying. When we move the selected text, it is placed at a new location. That means it will disappear from the position. Suppose I am selecting this and then just in order to move, I will go to this edit and cut option and I will go to the place where I want to paste it and then just edit and paste. So the word which was written here got moved to this new place. If we want to select a single word, we will position the mouse pointer over the word and then just double click it. This is the way of selecting a particular word. In order to select a sentence, we will place the mouse pointer anywhere in that sentence and then just click the left mouse button 3 times. So the particular sentence gets selected. And in order to select a particular paragraph, just place the mouse pointer anywhere on the paragraph and then click the left mouse button 4 times. Okay, we can select the complete text by pressing the Ctrl and A keys together. Now selecting the text in non-consecutive manner. Just select any word first. Now pressing the Ctrl key, we will move the pointer to another word that we want to select and then just double click the left mouse button. You can see the words are getting selected in a non-consecutive manner. Next is selecting a vertical block of text. In a vertical manner it will get selected. We will go to the edit menu and then we will go to this selection mode option and then go to this block area. Then we will try to select it. Then you will see it is selecting. It is getting selected in a vertical manner. In order to delete the selected text, suppose this text I want to delete. First I will select it and then I will press the delete key from the keyboard. Next is find and replace. The find and replace feature of the LibreOffice Writer helps you to search a particular word, phrase, or sentence in the document. This feature is particularly useful in finding the desired text easily in large documents. It enables you to replace a word or phrase in the document at all its occurrences with another word or phrase. This feature can be used by selecting the Find and Replace option in the Edit menu. We will click on that Find and Replace and a dialog box appears. In the Find box, we will type the word that we want to replace. Okay. See, I have typed cursor, and when I clicked on Find Next, it is showing me this occurrence that cursor is written in this part. Okay. Now I will replace it with, I will write pointer. That means I want to replace the word cursor with pointer, and then I will click on this replace button. As you can see, the cursor word got replaced with the pointer, and now it is showing me the next occurrence of the word cursor. Okay, if I want to replace all the instances of the searched word at one go, we will click the replace all button. Replace all button from the dialog box. Okay, and then we will close it. Thank you.